Video 222, is mouse down? Let's go take a look at our developer tools. If I click, we don't see anything. Well, we see some stuff, but watch this. If I hold down the mouse and I drag, woo, look at that. The mouse is down, the mouse is down. All right. So how's that done? Let's go look at the code before we run out of time here. In Mouse Master constants section, we have added two sets of constants. We have if we are clicking or dragging here, and then we have constants for what button on the mouse is currently pressed. These are from the Mozilla documentation, and here I'm cross-checking them with their integer values. So this is one way to write the values, this is another way to write the values, just to make sure. So we're going to check for the primary button. We're not going to support any of these buttons yet, but I wrote them here because it made sense to put the whole set of numbers, not just the one I'm going to use right now. I made a little tag right here to remind me what FUP stands for, which is force update function. This is a monkey wrench macro, and here's our click or drag function. It takes a whatever x and a whatever y, and then the enumeration to tell us if we are either clicking or dragging. If we are clicking, we're just going to say it's just a click, and if we are dragging, the mouse is down or the mouse is dragging, MID. If we're doing that, we're dragging the mouse, we got this message here, which I just showed you earlier. And if it's neither of those, we have an invalid state, we're going to crash. In the mouse move event for Mouse Master, we've added these tags to find the code easier. And we get a button mask here from the mouse event to see which buttons are currently held. And we are going to mask out the primary key. And if that primary key is being held down, we're going to call the click or drag function with the mouse is down constant here, and the mouse pixel position here for the whatever x and whatever y. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. You have been on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 222. Like and subscribe and send me coffee.